Here's how to install a Rain-X Quantum Elite wiper blade on a small J-hook arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. First, flip open the Rain-X tab on top of the blade. Next, insert the opening of the adapter into the hook part of the arm and slide the blade up until it locks into place with a click. Lower the Rain-X tab to secure the blade. When it's secure, it will click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Now activate the blade change indicator by removing the yellow sticker. Over time, the black dot will turn yellow when it's time to change your blades. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean. Turn on your wiper blades and wipe at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. In wet weather conditions, simply run the wipers across the windshield. In dry weather conditions, apply water or washer fluid to the windshield intermittently throughout the activation period. After activation, spray washer fluid onto the windshield to observe the water beading. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Quantum Elite.